And your taxes tonight, the full U.S. Senate started debate on the Republican tax plan.
It overhauls the tax code for the first time in 3 decades, but critics say it delivers enormous cuts to corporations and the wealthy, while significantly running up the national debt. KCAL 9 political reporter Dave Bryan monitored tonight's debate and has the very latest for us now. Dave.
Yeah, they still have a lot of work to go on this, but this is a big step forward for this bill. Even while the wheeling and dealing on proposed amendments continues around the clock, the drive to push the GOP tax cut plan across the finish line is picking up steam tonight. But it's not a done deal yet, with more than a half dozen Republicans expressing some concerns about the bill and not publicly committing to voting for it yet.
We need a tax code that better reflects the needs of today's workers, today's families, and our 21st century economy.
This bill showers trillions of dollars on multinational corporations.
With 20 hours of debate already underway, the Senate is moving closer by the hour to passing a massive GOP tax bill that will redefine the tax code for millions of businesses and individuals and families who are paying the taxes. On a straight party line vote, 52-48, the Senate passed a procedural hurdle, clearing the way for a final vote on the tax bill this week. The Wednesday vote is certainly a significant victory for the Senate Republican leadership and the Trump administration, who are pushing hard to pass what would be their most important legislative achievement of the first year of the Trump administration. To that end, President Trump declared to a crowd of enthusiastic supporters in Missouri that tax relief will be coming soon.
With Trump as your president, we are going to be celebrating Merry Christmas again, and it's going to be done with a big, beautiful tax cut.
But while today's vote is a big step forward for supporters of the tax bill, there are still 9 possible Republican holdouts who voted to move the tax cut bill for a vote, but still may not vote to pass it. And of course, the Democrats appear to be united in opposition to the bill, which they charge is a fraud on the middle class.
This bill raises taxes on millions of middle-class families, and it doesn't create any real economic growth. It doesn't create any real job growth, and it explodes the national debt. This is a smash and grab job. The Republicans are looting the U.S. Treasury so that their donors will keep funding their re-election campaigns.
But Republicans say the tax bill will bring a variety of benefits to working class and middle class Americans.
We're giving families freedom to spend more of their own money how they see fit. We're putting faith in the American entrepreneurs and businesses to compete in a global market. We're bringing back some of that money that's locked up overseas. The Tax Cuts and Jobs Act is made in America, and it's made for America.
President Trump took to Twitter Wednesday night to attack those who oppose the tax bill, indicating they're either dummies or obstructors. He wrote the only people who don't like the tax cut bill are the people that don't understand it, or the obstructionist Democrats that know how really good it is and do not want the credit and success to go to the Republicans. Now, tonight, the LA Times reports that studies show most Americans, on average, would see tax cuts, but some taxpayers, especially lower and middle income filers, would see tax hikes under the Senate tax plan. And while the corporate tax cuts would be permanent, the individual tax cuts are due to expire after 8 years in the Senate plan. The Senate Republicans are pushing hard for a final vote on the Senate tax bill this week, because next week they have other important business that needs to be done quickly, and that is basically passing a budget so that the government doesn't shut down. Jeff, Lena?
Yeah, we'll see what happens, Dave. Thank you so much.
Yeah.